Happy morning, Mrs. G. Andansi, Assistant Professor of History, ADM College for Women, Navapattinam. I am happy to present here a small topic on management. First, introduction, definition, functions of management, types of management, and conclusion. First, I will give a small introduction about the management. Management is an important element in every organization. It is the element that coordinates currents. The management adapts the organization to the environment and shape the organization to make it more suitable to the organization. Definition. Frederick Taylor, management is knowing exactly what you want man to do and to see that they do it in the best and the cheapest way. Management is the multi-purpose organ that manage the business, manage the managers, manage the worker and the work, by Peter Drucker. Management refers to the task and activities involved in directing an organization or one of these units, planning, organizing, leading and controlling. The process of reaching organizational goals of working with through people and other organizational resource. Management, organization, two or more people who work together in a structure way to achieve a specific goal or set of goals. Purpose that an organization strives to achieve. Organization often have more than one goals. Goals are fundamental elements of organization. Role of management to guide the organizations towards the accomplishment. Functions of management. First one is planning, then organizing, leading and controlling. Planning. Planning is a process of thinking about and organizing activities required to achieve desired goals. Planning involves creation and maintenance of plan. Planning is forecasting the future picture by the collected data. Future of planning. Planning focus on achieving goals. Everything is focus on goal only. Planning is the primary function of management. Planning is continuous. Planning is futuristic. Organizing. The definition of organizing, according to George theory, organization is like systematic arrangement and implementation of functions is required to achieve goals. Organizing determines how to distribute resources, how to organize employees and identify roles, delegate authority and provide direction. Organizing process of decide where decisions will be made, who will perform that jobs and tasks and who will report to whom in the company. For example, organization under the several departments, Department 1, Department 2 and Department 3, etc. Leading. Leading means guiding the activities of the organization members in appreciate directions. Objectives is to improve productivity. Leadership. delivered by the manager. Leadership is the process of influencing the behavior of others to work willingly and enthusiastically for achieving the predetermined goals. Next one is controlling. Controlling in general means evaluating the results against goals, taking corrective actions and setting performance standards. Innovation and representation. These are also two important additional managerial functions. Innovation means creating new ideas which may either result in the development of new products or finding new uses for older ones. It is necessary to grow better. The manager has to represent himself for the organization. A manager must win support effective from different groups, either internal or external. Types of management: top level management, middle level management, and bottom level management. Top level management provides the overall direction of an organization: chief executive officers, president and vice president. Next, middle level management coordinate employees' activities, determine which goals or service to provide, decide how to market goods or service to customers. Bottom level management have direct responsibility for producing goods for service: foreman, supervisor, clerical supervisors. Next, managerial skills. Top management, conceptual skills, that is depends upon the concept skill. Next, middle management, human relation skill. Third one is supervisor level, technical skills. Conclusion. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and winning together is a success. That is management. Thank you.